So on the egg, I want to add a blue stripe. So I will take my blue, roll this out, and I want it to have a little bit of a design to it, not just a straight line. So I have this pasta cutter, ravioli cutter here, and I'm just going to cut about a strip maybe close to 1/4 of an inch wide, like that. That's longer than I need. Place it on here, and I'm going to curve it like that. So on the edges here, I need to cut it at an angle about there, an angle maybe about there. Angle, angle, water, flip it on over. And then make sure I get it where I want. I don't want the water all over the place. Oops, I got water on there, so what do I do? What do I do? Panic! I will wipe some of it off and then take the cornstarch and dry it. And the reason I'm worried about it is because I want to dust that a little bit and I don't want it to get patchy where the water is. So, less water. Don't do what I do, do as I say. And right in here, there's some water there. If I dry this brush and then get in there, I can wipe some of that off. Okay. All right, so now this part, before this chick part dries, I have to do like I did on the other one, is take the little lines. And actually, this one I was going the wrong way. Little feathers. Little lines here. And then the cheeks. Lines here. And then this will come up. A little line to the body there, and a little line to the body there. Okay. Go back to the yellow, do the cheeks. Okay, just like the other one, as far as this part here on the top, none of this is different. Make sure you cover that line there at the bottom. Okay, little pieces of yellow up here for the hair. Maybe what we'll do is add a bow to this one. How about that? Make it a little different. Okay, so once I get those on, start making your little lines. That helps press them on. Give it a little curve there. Again, depends if you're bagging them or not. If you are, then you don't want this sticking up. Okay, so if you do a bow, I'll take the pink and I'll roll this into a ball. And I'll take this piece right here and just roll in the center until my center is thinner than the ends, and then press down on the ends like that. Cut a straight line here, straight line here, draw some little lines here, a couple little lines here, and then pick it up. I'll put the bow right here. Kind of stick it up a little bit. There we go. Now we're going to go back to the eyes. So that's where we do the balls. Start with the white, go to the blue, go to the black, and then a little